How to use data appending for hyper-personalized marketing. You spent hours designing the perfect email, but barely anyone opened it. Here's the truth, great design doesn't matter if you're talking to the wrong people. And that's why conversions stay low, no matter how good your offer is. That's where data appending flips the game. It updates your CRM or email list by adding missing, accurate info, full name, title and department, company info, location, buying behavior. Now you know who you're talking to, and what they actually care about. Customize subject lines by industry or pain points. Send offers by region or past purchase data. Adjust your tone for CEOs versus mid-level managers. The more relevant your message, the more likely they are to click, reply, and buy. Still blasting the same email to your whole list? That's costing you sales. Let us help you fix your missing details with accurate, verified info and talk to the right people with the right message.